welcome back to another video. Today is a special video. I know today is not the anniversary of the May 20th, 2013 tornado outbreak, but today I'm going to be doing a documentary on that outbreak and on that very on that very terrible day. Let's get into this video. So, here was the May 20th, 2013 1630 UTC Day 1 convective outlook. There was a moderate risk for Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Missouri for the possibility of tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds. And the tornado outlook was 10% SIG. But that was a day when the EF5 tornado happened in Oklahoma. 45% for wind and 45% SIG for hail. Now, there was a moderate risk that day, and of course that was a extremely bad day. The atmosphere was primed for a serious outbreak like this. So yeah, May 20th, 2013, was when Oklahoma got hit by an EF5 tornado. May 20th, 2013. Okay, so that is the SPC outlook from that day. Let's look at all this now. So here, you can see that was a tornado that hit more. And there's other images here of it. It's not good. It wasn't good. It freaking destroyed everything. You can see some of that damage right here. So you can see that homes were wiped off their foundations because of it. So you can see this full picture of destruction in Oklahoma. And pictures of tornado damage, it's sad. And you can see that there's a lot of destroyed homes and more. And nobody was prepared for something like this, but it happened. But it sucks to see a violent tornado like that to just occur out of the blue. I mean, it's not good. It wasn't good to see a violent tornado like that hit Oklahoma, and it was absolutely terrible. So if you look here, this was the path the tornado took, and here's the path the tornado took. So it started over here, near Newcastle, and then it strengthened, went to Moore, and that's when it did the catastrophic damage. And it then lifted near Norman. But the actual, the radar presentation was so ridiculous. Like, you could see the debris ball that was in Moore, Oklahoma that day. So right here, that was the debris ball right there. Moore, Oklahoma got destroyed that day. So, and that was that was terrible. And there was some terrible news out of it. But what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and go to Google. And I think we're going to load Google Maps for show you all the actual tornado that went through. I'm gonna show you guys that because I think the Moore tornado was just 100% ridiculous, and it really gave me worry that people were gonna die, and that happened. But Moore, Oklahoma was a pretty bad day. It's no doubt about it. It was a bad day. It was a bad day. Bad day. Bad day. Bad day. That was a bad day, dude. It was terrible. Just give it a minute for this to come up. on, let me. I wonder if I could change. I wonder if I could change the area. Oh no. So, we're done with that documentary. Now I think this one was the April 27, 2011 super outbreak that occurred in West Alabama, in Alabama. That was a big day. I mean, there was an EF5 tornado that went from Hamilton, Hackleburg, Phil Campbell, then hit the southern suburbs of Huntsville, and then went on the Tennessee border and lifted. Actually, hey, we're about done with the documentary here. I'm just gonna download this first so that you guys can see the actual, like thing. It was a bad day, but to be completely honest with you, it was a bad day for Oklahoma City because and more basically because the atmosphere was right for a tornado to hit more, and it was an EF5 that hit more May 20th, 2013. Which was so devastating, in fact. Which was, in fact, super devastating. And it's one thing you'll never forget in a lifetime here. It's just super sad. Hold on. There's something I can do here. There's apparently something going wrong. Apparently can't load tornado tracks. That's dumb. Or can I? So, if I can open up my Epic Pin, I can show y'all the whole track of it. That more Oklahoma EF5. I can do that. I can actually do it. I'm actually doing that. Okay, so this is the last part of the video I'm doing, and then I'm going to be making it. So, yeah, but we're going to show you guys that too. Here we are. So now I have my Epic Pin out. Ignore that. So, I think Newcastle is about right here, yeah. Newcastle is right here. So the tornado started So it started right here, and the tornado was on the ground. Went on the ground in Newcastle. Then it went on to hit more, and they go over here and lifted right here. So that's when the tornado ended. Oh my god, I have to rage all because of this stupid mouse. Oh my god. So it started right here, hit more, and then lifted over here. So it was I can't even do it. So the tornado was on the ground here, here. It dissipated here. So that's how long the tornado's been on the ground that hit more. And it was devastating. I mean, it's sad that a violent tornado like this would hit more on May 20th, 2013. It was a sad day. Nobody was prepared for it. None. Nobody. None. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next documentary. Have a great time and enjoy the rest of your day and evening. My freaking Google Chrome doesn't like me. Alright, have a great time and enjoy the rest of your day and evening. This was a documentary on the Moore, Oklahoma EF5 tornado back in May 20th, 2013. It was a terrible day. Nobody will forget it. It was so sad. I'll see you guys in the next one.